So you guys, today I want to show you just how easy it is to offboard your crypto straight into your bank account. Some of you guys have been following me with my HiveMapper Dashcam that I have hooked up that I'm earning passive income by merely just driving. Well, today I want to show you how to turn that honey token into cash. As always, I'm your host, Twin 2x Towers, because we want to 2x them gains. We want to 2x them savings. And as always,
finish him.
I highly suggest you listen to me in 2x so we can get this video done in half the amount of time.
Done.
So as I stated before, you guys, some of you guys have been watching me with my journey with my HiveMapper Dashcam or my HTC. And literally, let me tell you guys, it has been killing it. Last week, I made a total of $101 by utilizing my HTC. Now, some of you are like, Ryan, that's fine and dandy, but I don't understand how you get this honey token into cash. How do you get that to your bank? You know, some of you are like, is this like Peter Pan? Are we in Never Never Land? Is this Tinkerbell's fairy dust? Because to you, right, this is just make-believe money. So many of you have been interested in the HiveMapper Dashcam because of the utility it brings, being an alternative to Google Maps, but just are turned off by the fact that you get paid in cryptocurrency. Well, here I'm going to show you just how easy it is to turn those honey tokens into cash. Now, for this purpose, I'm going to assume that you already have the Dashcam, right? Or if you were going to get it, you would set up your own phantom wallet, you guys. And there are plenty of YouTubers that go over how to set up a wallet. In this case, it would be like a phantom wallet, a soul flare wallet, because those wallets are compatible with cryptocurrencies on the Solana blockchain. The most familiar one that you probably hear a lot of people talk about is MetaMask, or maybe Trust Wallet or Exodus Wallet, and those are for EVM compatible cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and stuff like that. So in this particular instance, right, we're assuming that you have your wallet set up, and as we can see, I'll show you mine. Here's the Phantom wallet. As you can see, last week absolutely killed it. I earned a total of 7,805.18512 honey tokens, which is equivalent to about $101.32. Amazing. Nothing feels better to get that on a weekly basis just for simply driving. And again, while we're here, let me just throw that disclaimer out there that I am not a financial advisor, right? Please speak to a licensed and professional financial advisor for all your financial needs, right? Anything dealing with investing is risky, and especially even more so when it comes to crypto. Past performance is not indicative of future performance, right? So please only invest what you are willing to lose. Again, the honey token could be worth not even a quarter of a cent tomorrow, you know? Anything can happen, but more so, I just want to show you, right, if you were to get involved in a project like this, super easy to get my crypto out than it is to get it in. I actually had to go through a huge process the other day just to buy some crypto through MetaMask, through one of its services, because I had the KYC and do all that. Let me just show you what I would do. As you can see, I have this honey. Super simple. I'm going to swap it. I'm going to go to my honey token, and I'm going to swap it for USDC. Or I can swap it for USDT, whatever you want to do. But for me, it's just easier just to swap it to USDC, which is, to many of you, it's just a stable coin, okay? Sell all my honey, and I don't normally actually sell all of it. I like to keep just a little bit because then my wallet sometimes does not recognize it, so I just like to keep the points. And as you can see, I'm going to get about $100.59 for this, so I'm just going to swap it. We'll go back, and as you can see, you guys, I have $100 that I swapped for my honey tokens gone, and now I have it in what would be considered a stable coin. In the crypto world, you guys, this would be like getting, I say, is like turning at least my crypto closer to cash, right? Because this doesn't fluctuate. Well, it very minimal, it fluctuates. It's a stable coin. So what I'm going to do is I would normally come here to fix float. This is like one of my bridges. There's a ton of exchanges, you guys. Here's like central exchanges, decentralized exchanges, and then I have bridges, which is important for this is because we need to get this USDC off of Solana blockchain onto either AVAX, Binance, Phantom, Polygon, or not Phantom, Polygon, basically, so that I can convert it out using Spritz Finance. In this case, you need a VPN for this, so I realized that I should probably just use Change Now. Another disclaimer, this service that I'm about to offer, not right now, but for Spritz to offboard it, you're going to need to be a U.S. resident. So here, I'm going to use Change Now because you can be a U.S. resident. Fixed float, you can't be. You have to use a VPN to use that service. So we're just going to do this. So as you can see, I'm going to send in 100 USDC in Solana, and this is what I'm going to get on the. I'm going to get USDC, but I'm going to get it on the Binance Smart Chain. So we're just going to go ahead and go to exchange. All right. So, what we're going to do is now I'm going to enter my wallet address where I want the money to go to. So, I'm just going to go up here to my MetaMask wallet, which is one of the most common wallets. Whoops. Try this again. Okay. So, I have it in the correct wallet where I want it to go. So I'm going to go to next. So again, you guys, we're turning 100 USDC in our Solana blockchain, and this is what we're going to receive, $99.16 roughly in USDC on the Binance Smart Chain, right? And you read the terms and agreement. I've read it many times. Well, actually, I take that back. I read it one time and got the gist of what it's saying. So now I'm going to confirm. Now, what I need to do is I need to send 100 USDC to this address here. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go into my wallet. So I'm going to copy this address. Now I'm going to go to my Phantom wallet. I'm going to go to this coin, right? I'm going to send this, and I'm going to paste the wallet, right? And then just double check. You can do 8WZ4, 8WZ4, and then V4YFE, V4YFE. That looks correct. Now I'm going to put $100 because that's what it wants me, or not 100 USDC. That's what I'm going to put in there. So I hit next. I just want to confirm. Again, just check these just to double check. It's always good just to double check. Those are correct. And I'm going to send it. Boom, it's sent. Now, I can close this if I want. Now I just sit here and wait. And it should catch shortly. Right? And I will come back to the video after it has gone through the waiting, confirming, exchange, and sending. So now we see that it's confirming. Right? And now we can see that it is exchanging. So we're under the exchanging. And again, this just takes a few minutes for this whole process. So now they are sending it to my wallet. Look right now, we can see that I received the $99.16. It's right here. So, bada boom, bada bing. That's great. So then what we do after we do that, super simple, you guys. We come over here. I come to Spritz Finance, which is one of the greatest platforms ever to enter the crypto space. And as you can see, all right, what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to the off ramp, right? And I am going to go down to my Chime bank account. Super simple. So look, what I got to do is I just allow Spritz to use my USDC. Hit continue. Oh, let me put in my password. Give them the approval to do max, which is the 99.16. And then hit approve, which it might not do because... Okay, well, first I'm disapproving. All right, so I actually have to put in how much I want to offer him. So I'm going to do, for all practical purposes, we're just going to do 95 bucks. You know, I would do the 99, but it's going to be, there is like a fee. I don't want to calculate it. 95 should get me there. So I'm going to hit off ramp. I'm going to confirm the gas fees. Just thinking, boom, just like that. Paid to my Chime $95, sent to my bank account. I will be back and show you hitting my bank account when it hits, okay? So you guys, I just wanted to show you my $95 that I cashed out from my HiveMapper earnings from Spritz Finance. Just hit my bank account actually 7 hours ago, so about 3 o'clock in the morning. So as you can see, whoa, there it is today. I figured it would give more of an exact time, but it doesn't. There's my $95. You guys, it was literally just over 24 hours. Spritz is just an amazing platform. And again, that's just how easy it is to get your crypto to your bank account. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Super easy. Don't let crypto discourage you. It's so easy now to offboard your crypto. You guys, let me know if you have a HiveMapper, right? If you have a Dashcam, where you're at, where you're earning, how much you've made, and maybe some other projects you're making passive income with. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'm out.